Why, hello there. Today we look at the premier Trump watch. Yeah, that Trump watch. Welcome to Horology Headline News, your fastest source of information on new watches. Since we are talking about the US, let's start with a disclaimer. We are here about watches and not about the politics. With that out the way, Donald Trump, a presidential candidate and the former president of the USA, has launched his own kinda-sorta watch brand. The Halo model is the Victory Tourbillon with a hefty price tag of $100,000 US. There are 3 color variants, all made of gold, full of diamonds, while simultaneously devoid of any taste in the design. Their movement appears to be based on the Swiss caliber TO2 from BCP Tourbillon, based out Le Chaux de Fonds. There are watches with this movement on the market for less than 20% of the Trump's price. Those watches will be made to order, with the maximum number of 147 units. But the art of the deal here is all about focusing your attention on the other model, the Fighter. Turns out the pure American Fighter has a heart designed in Japan and mass-produced in China, or Malaysia at best. The design is a mashup straight from the catalog of Chinese producers supplying the lowest tier of microbrands. And who exactly is on the case back? Looks like Boris Johnson to me, but maybe I need to put my reading glasses on. There's a 3-hander with date and there's a GMT. Look at that logo. Was this render done in the PowerPoint? And the bezel just screams Rolex, but with a Mandarin accent. Instead of true sapphire, we have sapphire-coated mineral glass. If you see gold, it's gold-plated. There's but 1 year of warranty and there are no returns. It feels lazy, half-hearted, and without a deeper thought. No, we are still talking about watches and not the candidate. The company behind the watches is located in Wyoming, and it is called the best watches on earth. You just can't make that shit up. Should you buy it? No way. There are better ways to support the candidate you believe in. And no, those won't ever be considered collectibles. Don't even think about it. Oh boy, I need a shower and 3-finger high shot of whiskey. Slanjava, and see you in the next one.